You asked for it, and we've got it. Introducing the brand new Dynamax Isata 6 32KS. Everything you loved about the original Isata 631KS, now with a king bed. Come on in and check it out. The Isata 632KS sits on the Ford F600 platform, sporting 330 horsepower, 950 foot-pounds of torque, and can tow up to 15,000 pounds. This floor plan now measures in at 34 feet 8 inches, bumper to bumper. Interior, we've got a redesign of our dinette area. So we, instead of having two skinnier windows, we now have the windows going along the bottom compared to the 31KS. We added some upper cabinets as well and put the TV up and out of the way. This way you can sit at the dinette, still look out your beautiful windows. We've got our theater seats that sit directly across from our TV. And again, we've got lots of big open windows here, cabinets up above, and this bunk area I love because it has so much open space. This here will also flip on up, so we've got easy access in and out of the cab area and UV protection on the front window. And that's just by a switch here to bring the shade down if need be. All right, moving back to the kitchen, we have our induction cooktop, and we've got really nice counter space here with a nice deep sink, overhead cabinets, convection microwave, and underneath storage. Another great feature to our kitchen is going to be the 12 volt, 15 cubic foot refrigerator. So this, you do not need your inverter to run. This will run directly off of the batteries, which we'll get to in a little bit. But this has got the 3 big doors, so 2 up top, and our freezer down below. Next, moving into the bathroom. It's an all-in-one bathroom here, featuring a very roomy 36 by 30 inch shower with the oxygenic shower head and more overhead cabinetry. Last but not least is this oversized pantry, great for all of your cooking needs. Our most requested item on an Isata 6 was a king bed. So you asked and we delivered. This is a 72 by 78 inch king size bed. When the slide comes in, it'll butt just up against these cabinets. No need to fold the bed, and you can walk around and easily make the bed and access the bed. Over here, we've got our washer and dryer prep area. You can also use this just as a large wardrobe. TV up top with hidden storage, and another wardrobe to the side. Also included are some drawers. Notice we have cedar line wardrobe on all of these. These are also soft close drawers. The Isata 632KS also comes available with the optional Explorer package. The Explorer package now features 3 240 amp hour Expion batteries totaling 720 amp hours. Also has 1,000 watts of glass solar panels on the roof. And over in our wet bay, we've got an auxiliary 12 volt heater. So this is terrific for your colder climates when you're camping. This here is thermostatically controlled inside on your Firefly panel that will give you heat for your gray and black tanks. It also has extra insulation in this area, as well as our insulated cab curtain that bisects the cab from the living area. So this Explorer package has been very popular. We introduced that back in 2019, and it's been our #1 option on all of our products since then. In your electrical bay, you have access to a multitude of different electrical components, including your slide controller. You've got your disconnect for your battery as well as your solar. We've got our solar controllers, our 3,000 watt inverter, that's standard. There's also a connection over there behind me for the wireless app, so you can monitor your battery levels. And you also have your transfer switch located in this electrical bay. Behind me, we have our 8,000 watt diesel generator by Cummins Onan. And also on the driver's side towards the rear, we have our Truma AquaGo Comfort Plus with the winter recirculation valve. So this is great for your cold weather camping, so you can keep that water flowing through your system so you're not going to have to winterize all of your water as you go down the road in cold climates. Lastly, on the driver's side, we have a pass-through storage area, as well as our hookup for our LP when we're filling that. And that's a remote switch located right here. It's unique to have a Class C that has this pass-through storage. So again, this would be great for fishing poles or any of your longer items. Going to the rear of the coach, we have our 40,000 BTU furnace located right here with an access panel on the inside in the wardrobe if need be. Also, I love this rear bumper that we've begun to put on the Isata 6s. And this is a heavy duty aluminum bumper that gives it some beef and a cool look, but also very practical. If you happen to bottom out or you might back into something, you're not replacing the whole rear wall of the unit. This can just come right on out and then we can replace that. As I mentioned, it's a 15,000 pound towing capacity. So here's your 15,000 pound hitch. And up top, we added a driver security light, driver side, as well as a rear security light to all of our products. We use them, so we know one of the things that we don't like is when it's dark out and we might be unhooking our tow item. We want to make sure that we can see, so we just have that from a pure convenience standpoint. Also on the rear, we have up at the top, we have our rear view and hitch view camera. So one's more of a horizon view and one's a hitch view that points straight down. On the passenger side in the rear, we have our LP Quick Connect. So this would be for your gas grill if you decide to cook outside. We also have the continuation of that pass-through storage. We do these with rotocast bins. They're very heavy duty, as well as they're very easy to clean out. There's a low point drain that you can unscrew if you get sand or dirt, dust. You just take a hose right through there. Next is going to be a heated bay. So your furnace will heat this, this compartment. This is a continuation of our gray and black tank from the wet bay side. And this here is got the thermofoil, so it's extra insulation. This would be great for your outdoor gear. Say you're cold weather camping, you want to throw boots and stuff in there, but it's a nice bay to keep nice and warm for when you're camping in the cold. We have our outside TV. So we've got a 32-inch TV here with a JBL soundbar, compression latch to make sure that there's going to be no moisture getting inside of that. And then down below, we've got more storage. And this one will be a partial pass-through storage. And last but not least, on the passenger side, we have more exterior storage. So there it is, all the features you love about our Isata 6, now with the king-size bed on the 32KS. Check your local Dynamax dealer for more information.